Achieve a natural, glowing look in minutes.
Healthy skin is the key to flawless makeup. Always start with a fresh base. Use a lightweight foundation for a natural finish. A little mascara and eyeliner instantly open up your eyes.
Choose a soft shade and add a touch of highlighter.
Don't forget this: a healthy body equals to glowing skin.
You are beautiful just the way you are.
That's it. A quick and easy self-grooming makeup routine. Like and subscribe for more beauty tips.